What's up, guys? So today we are looking at the Kobalt 23 piece Allen key set. It is part number 0498877. This one's really neat because it's obviously got metric and standard, or vice versa, but they're long and then they're ball tipped at that, and then it's got this handle that they can slide in, it seems like, and you kind of have like a handled one. I'm sure, like many of you, I've always used just a little cheapy Allen keys that come with furniture and just various things like that, just all-in-one tool set type things. I never really had a good high quality set, at least for a while. I have in the past. So this will definitely be a good addition to the workshop. I'm going to use this guy again. It's going to come in really handy for this kind of packaging, which is always annoying, as I'm sure everyone knows. So let's get it in there. Oh yeah. Slices through it like nothing. Look at that. Oh, it got caught. Unless it gets caught on something. Let's just do this side for fun now. How easy. I'm sure everyone knows how frustrating it is to rip these things off too. Let's just go over here. Wow. Screw it. Let's do this. Like nothing. Alright, enough of that. Get this out of the way. Okay, so here is the actual Allen keys themselves. If I didn't rip up the instructions, I kind of did, but oh well, we'll have to figure it out. So it looks like you just take this little handle out. Okay, did that. Let's get this big boy here. Oh, okay. So those all come out separate too. So let's get this guy here. It is a 10 millimeter. It's pretty good size. And then if you look, I don't know if it shows. That's the wrong side. There, they're all numbered. So which goes into which. So this one looks like 10. And slide it in there. And that didn't work. Let's try. Alright, so I'm going to pause and figure this out. Alright, we're back, and I actually figured it out. It's kind of neat. Here's that 10 millimeter again. So there are two ways to do it. You can either take this and stick it in. They're all different sizes on both ends. Stick it in there, and you can have just like an extended handle, like so. Just kind of turn like that. Self-explanatory. Feels sturdy too, so I don't think that'd go anywhere. But the real show is this. So you turn, which side is it? This side here. You turn it, this unscrews, and that slides out. Then those are also numbered. Each size has its number, metric and standard. You take this end, like so, put it in over here, you slide it in. Again, this is the largest one, so you slide it in there, fits in. That locks in kind of firmly. I don't think I had it in right, but then you would screw that in right there. Then you got this nice little handle here. You can really put some work in with this. Put your forearm into it and everything. So that's really nice. It's like one of those large, T-handle Allen key sets you see that go on little stands like this, and there's a bunch of them. They take up quite a bit of room. So this is a nice, compact, space-saving version of that. And the keys themselves look high quality. They're definitely not cheap steel. I believe they have a lifetime warranty, and they're from Lowe's, so you know where they're at, and they won't be hard to track down. all in all, this is definitely a good buy. I think I only paid $15, maybe 12 for the whole set, and I would definitely recommend this one. I'm gonna be using this for sure. It's what's good about these two is they actually will not strip out your screws as easily as the little cheap ones that you get with furniture that I know I've had bad luck with, and they go flying in the air and everything. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, have a good one.